Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here. And let's just select Start and then find our desired language. So I'll be selecting English. From here we have the option to connect to mobile network by inserting a SIM card. Now this step is optional and you don't have to do it. And even when you insert a SIM card, you can choose to have it on or off. And on the next page we have some for your review. I don't know, it would be nice if they started first with privacy policy for your review, but okay. Anyway, below that we have the I agree to the end user license agreement. I can tap on details to read exactly what you are agreeing to, but at the end of the day you do have to agree to it, so you can proceed further with the setup. Now here we have some permissions for Samsung apps and devices, so you can select that you agree to them, or you can not agree to them. And this will bring us to the Wi-Fi connection page. So here you can connect to Wi-Fi. Now I'll mention that even though I can skip this, this option will not be visible for majority of the people that are setting up this device as a brand new phone. So if you literally just unboxed it straight out of the package where it was like new out of a store, you will not be able to skip Wi-Fi connection, and you will have to connect to Wi-Fi, which I believe then the device reboots or something along those lines. So just keep that in mind when going through the setup right here. It will vary just a little bit. Now I'll be skipping Wi-Fi connection, which brings me anyway to the next page, which is copy apps and data, allowing me to move over my old phone's data to this one, either using the Google account and basically cloud backup, or I believe I can also use the Samsung application to connect the two phones and move over the data. But I am setting it up as new anyway, so I will be selecting Don't Copy. Now this will bring us to the next page, which is Google Services. And we have three different services right here. We have the location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Quickly going to each one of those. Location is just a GPS tracking for the device, so apps like Google Maps can function properly. Then we have Allow Scanning, which allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and then Send User and Diagnostic Data allows Google to spy on you. Next page we can set up some kind of screen lock. We have several different ways, so we have face recognition, fingerprint, and then PIN pattern or password. Now when it comes down to face recognition and fingerprint, if you're planning to use either one of them or both, you will always have to also set up some physical way of unlocking the device. That'd be PIN, pattern, or password. The reason for this is if something would happen to your finger or the sensors on the device or your face, you still have some other way of accessing your device. Now I'm just gonna set up a pattern right here. And this will bring us to the Samsung account. Now in here obviously you can log into that Samsung account if you want to, or you can skip it. Now by trying to skip it, it gives you this hilarious message, skip out on all this. And they have literally 4 things that they're trying to shell out. And none of them is really unique in any kind of way. So they don't really give you any incentive to actually sign up. So just to quickly go into this, Samsung Cloud is substituted by something that has existed for way longer and probably is accessible to everybody, which is Google Cloud. Galaxy theme, entire Play Store. Find My Mobile, find my device. And then Galaxy Store, again the entire Play Store. And in I believe every single case of this, Google does everything better just because they've been doing it for longer and the device is actually running on Android. So really gives you no incentive to really make an account here. So I'll be skipping this. Anyway, this will bring us to the end of the setup. So once you press on the finish, we should be presented with Android home screen. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.